It's prime time and I get it whenever I want it.
Hello, welcome to Industry Reactions. Industry Reactions is a weekly briefing on industry events, changes, and future trends that impact your business. We're your hosts, Rick Honer and Mark Friedel from Kenpoint. You can find Industry Reactions on YouTube, LinkedIn, and as a podcast. For those watching on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and smash that like button. We plan on discussing issues that impact the global industry and help you uncover new opportunities. We hope this will provide market intelligence that will keep you ahead of changing conditions.
There is optimism for increased economic growth in 2021, according to a number of economic indicators. First, the January 2021 Business Conditions Survey from the National Association of Business Economics demonstrates increasing optimism about economic growth over the next 12 months. The survey shows profit margins rising at more firms in the fourth quarter of 2021 compared to the previous quarter. 2020 compared to the previous quarter. The report also indicates more firms are optimistic about the near-term outlook for employment, as more respondents from all sectors say they expect to add jobs rather than reduce headcount in the near future. That all seems pretty consistent with what we've been hearing and what we've been saying.
Yeah, hearing it more and more. So further backing up this data, sales of new light vehicles in December rose by 4% from the previous month, helping narrow the year-on-year decline to 3.2%. U.S. sales of new single-family houses rose 18.8% from 2019 to an established 811,000 in 2020. So that's really ripping. Rig count continues steady climb as crude stabilizes above $50. Drillers added 6 rigs, bringing the nation's count to 384. The industry, however, still has a fewer than half of the 790 rigs operating a year ago.
Still a ways to go. If we look specifically at the chemical industry, 2 metrics from the American Chemistry Council are also positive. The Chemical Activity Barometer rose 1.5%, following a 1.3% increase in December. With 9 months of gains, the latest CAB reading is consistent with expansion of the U.S. economy. The CAB uses indicators in 4 components: production, equity prices, producer prices, and inventories. We've definitely seen increases in 3 of those 4. I would say inventories, from our experience, has declined a little bit. U.S. specialty chemicals market volumes expanded by 1.2% in December, following a 0.6% gain in November. Of the 28 specialty chemical segments monitored by ACC, 23 expanded in December, up from 13 in November, while 1 segment was stable and 4 declined. 19 featured gains of 1% or more.
Wow, that's really good to see. All right, so in new product introductions and company announcements, we have a personal announcement here. So here at Kenpoint, it was recently announced that Allnex chose Kenpoint for marketing, sales, and distribution of the Uvicol glass laminating system in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Uvicol, one-component acrylic resins, are solvent-free and BPA-free and offer acoustic, safety, and design benefits for architects, glass makers, and other construction and industrial users. The resins are used to produce laminated glass found in hotels, public buildings, and homes, creating a safe and quiet environment.
Great news. Better late than never. Microban International, provider of antimicrobial and odor control and prevention solutions, announces that its longtime partner, Smart Turf, has launched a range of athletic turf products. The new product range offers the first athletic artificial turf product with built-in antimicrobial protection and was designed for businesses across the country looking for answers to heightened concerns around cleanliness and enhanced safety measures in fitness, sports, and athletic facilities.
All right, on to FMC. So FMC Corporation has entered into a strategic collaboration with Novozymes to research, co-develop, and commercialize biological enzyme-based crop protection solutions for growers around the world. Collaboration between the 2 companies will concentrate on enzyme-based biocontrol technology for the global fungicide and insecticide markets.
Exciting. Sound Agriculture announced today that its flagship nutrient efficiency product, Source, is now available for use on soybeans in addition to corn. Source gives crops access to natural forms of nitrogen and phosphorus, supporting increased yield with less impact on the environment. Trials from 2020 show that Source soybeans increases yield by 2.4 bushels per acre.
Those are some pretty big numbers.
Yeah.
All right. Now into mergers and acquisitions news. Rovenza, a Lisbon-based company, has acquired Oro Agri Incorporated, a global leader in biorational crop protection and adjuvant technology. Oro Agri currently distributes its crop protection products in 85 countries around the world. Rovenza has made numerous acquisitions in the organic and biorational crop protection market as part of its strategy to be a leading part of solving the global challenges facing agriculture today and in the future.
All right, that's it for this week's edition of Industry Reactions. Short but sweet, got to the point. We will return next week with a fresh batch of industry reactions. So until then, stay safe.
Take care.